The first Royalbaby bike was born in 2009. Ever since, to make safer bikes for kids has always been our highest responsibility and focused target. We created the strongest and widest training wheels to greatly reduce the chance for kids to fall during riding and turning. We created a new brake lever with the shortest distance to the handlebar so kids can easily operate the brakes when needed. Wider tires are applied to Royalbaby bikes to make the riding for kids stable and easy. All the material used on Royalbaby bikes meet the highest international chemical composition requirements for child safety. Royalbaby bikes are now ridden by kids in more than 40 countries and rank as the high-class kids bikes in the United States, Europe, Japan, Korea, Russia, China, and many more. Since 2014, Royalbaby has been proudly listed as the #1 kids bike brand on Amazon.com. Royalbaby's mission is making the best bikes for kids. Safer riding for a better childhood.